Sleeping at the kitchen table. Oh. Hey, look at this guy walking into church.
Is that heaven shining through?
It is. That is
like
lovely.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yes.
It doesn't look like a camera.
That's pathetic compared to heaven's light.
That's true. But it's impressive here. Yeah. This is Ava's very first interview. She's getting an interview.
One of many.
For Bridge Kids. She's gonna start working full time.
First job interview.
So hey guys, it is Sunday morning, and today me and Finley are going to show you something we have made. We have made slime. I made a dark green one, and Finley made a
lime green. It's lime.
Light green.
Lime.
So we just wanted to show you. Bye.
The cat just crashed, knocked down the girl's dresser.
Yeah. This is what happened. Guys, why it's not going up? It's because it's banging on the wall.
I'm trying to move it out. If you two would help me.
Ava, get over there and help.
The TV turned on.
Ava, you are not helping whatsoever.
I need it moved out. I need to move it out so we can move it in.
Okay, I'm getting...
Laura. Meow. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do, Meow? What did you do? Huh? What did you do?
It's uploading, Susie. Let's get this set.
Oh, Meow. It's true, it happened. Meow. Meow came running out of the girl's room after a huge crash. And
It sounded like a crazy art box fell.
and the girl's dresser was completely dumped over. Meow, what'd you do? And Meow is totally mad at us that we keep talking about it. He keeps trying to bite
Billy
us.
just got... Oh, hi. Is this your sign, baby? This is yours.
We took a
Oh,
look. She's
she's
like, get
biting.
that sign out of here.
It's your sign.
So we took a picture. I'll put it here. Hey, Finn, come here.
Sure. What? Okay, bye.
Finn, you're going to spend the night with Braylon tonight.
My unicorn bag! My unicorn bag!
Leave that cat alone.
You're so comfy. Your head and you have your little piggy pillow.
Well, we are out for supper. We're horrible humans. We should not be out to supper. But we are. I had a Hey, that reminds me, we gotta put that bacon in the fridge. The sissies are not here. They're having a sleepover, and I had a plan of a lovely supper, but now we're not. We're eating out. But we get to be with this guy.
Really?
I'm pointing at you. Oh my gosh, you smiled. It's a miracle.
Dad never smiles.
It is Tuesday. Do you know what's so sad? Today's Tuesday. I go back to work on Thursday. The girls had a friend spend the night. Braylon's here. And we're making waffles. The kids, I said, I'm making waffles. They're like, because let's be honest, I don't do fancy breakfast. So, waffle making. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, the green light is on. Let's see. Finn and I are at Hy-Vee, and we're in the cart aisle, and they have some good dancing tunes on. Mm-hmm. We're in here, and we're dancing, right, Finn? Mm-hmm. Well, it's my last day of summer, and this is how I'm spending it. I have a terrible headache. Ava didn't feel good last night. She said her head was swirly and stuff. And dang, I have a terrible headache today. It's not quite a migraine, but it feels pretty close. I've taken some stuff, so hopefully it'll ease up. But last day of summer, maybe it's just last day of summer depression setting into my brain.
When you're cleaning out the fridge and accidentally make a really good salad, that is a good day.
Last day of summer. I'm going for a walk, and you gotta look at the sky. It just got done raining, so you gotta check out the sky. But the clouds are kind of cool. Can you see the rainbow? Pretty. There's some more kind of cool skies. There's that rainbow. It just rained, like poured for like 30 seconds, literally.
He would actually get us to pray for something specific more often than not. He invited the church to pray for himself, which I thought was strange. I thought that was odd. I was kind of confused because it seemed a little bit selfish. I'm like, Paul, there's a whole church. There's a lot of people coming to Jesus. Why are you asking the church to pray for you? And I believe it was because he knew that the Lord had given him a mission. The Lord had given him a calling greater than...
What time did you get up today?
5:30.
Bailey is training himself for when school starts. You're so responsible. Well, I'm taking off. They're still asleep. Oh no. This is the end. End of summer. It's the end. It's the end. It's over. It's over.
I feel the same way when you said vacation was over. Now summer is over.
Summer's over. It's like you look so forward to it and then it's just over.
It's like, yay!
You know, work is good. It's good to go to work. It's good to go to school. It's just sad to say goodbye to, we're together constantly, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, we were together constantly. Was there ever a time we weren't?
Pentatonics.
Okay.
But me and the sissies were still together, like we were all apart.
Yes.
We all at least once had each other, one person. Except for when you went to Pentatonics. Like, we were never, like, all apart.
So, hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off to work I go.
Hey guys, it is Thursday. It's like 5:20, 5:15, and I was in the vlogging mood, so I decided to vlog. Dad just got back from work. He's showering. I think he already did shower, but I don't know. So I was in the vlogging mood, so I just decided to vlog. And now I don't know what I'm talking about. Everybody else is in Mom and Dad's room. It's just Mom doesn't want to get vlogged right now. So I went out in the living room. So yeah, I just wanted to vlog.
You don't want to do it,
Hey,
Mom.
DC Bobs, it is.
Don't shake it. Thank you, Mommy.
Well, we're in the car. It is Thursday, 6 o'clock. We were going to go to the beach, but the beach was closed. Hairs everywhere. So now we are going to go to docks so we can still swim because we're in the swimming mode. So here we go.
Isn't it?
Jump in.
Okay, guys, I'm going to jump in.
What was he gonna do with that? He's pretending it's a GoPro.
Pretending this is a GoPro.
She's pretty. It's a very sad day. The girls have decided they're too big for a lot of their toys.
Whole bag. We're going to donate these to who knows where.
Well, I'm gonna take him to preschool.
And then after
They're
that,
getting rid of their toys.
there's a castle thing, squeaky stuff.
Your Cinderella castle?
No.
Oh.
The Barbie castle.
We're at Adventureland, heading to the pool. It's
Hopefully we
totally
get in.
packed.
Hopefully we get in.
It is packed in this place today.
We're also using my Runkeeper app to see how far of a walk it is from the car to the pool. Because the pool is clear on the other side from where the parking lot is. This place, I don't know if I've ever seen it this busy. Have you, honey?
Yeah.
Super packed.
These lines, like there's people everywhere.
Okay, we made it. This place is crazy packed. It was 0.93 miles to get here from the car. Daddy is changing his clothes. I have glasses cases. It is hot. We're ready for the pool. We are home from Adventureland long enough to go potty, and now we're going to a movie in the park. It's the last one of the summer. That's kind of a sad deal, right, Daddy?
It is.
Ow.
You know what that means?
What?
Summer's almost over.
Okay, so there's a wedding. It's getting their pictures taken, and Daddy's gonna photoball them. Do you think he's really gonna do it? Is he really gonna do it? Daddy. Did you do it, Daddy?
What?
I did it.
I don't know.
There'll be a picture of you in their wedding album for the rest of their lives.
Feel so pleasure.
Turn your thing down.
Yeah, we overpowered him. Here we are at the movie. This is always so fun. Isn't
Mommy,
this so
it
fun?
really was true when he said, "Oh, I think I might go overpowered now."
I love this.
A great end to the summer.
Yeah, I love it.
Hello guys, so today is Friday, which is the best day of the week. And today, it's like the afternoon time. Dad just got home. It is, I'll show you guys. That says, if you can't read it, 3:11. 3:11. And we have been playing with toys, and now I have scissors because we are going to cut the Sissy's American Girl doll's hair, and we have to do a really good job. And Mom and Dad are doing stuff that I am not so sure of, such. So that is what we are doing. Let's show you guys what we are, what our styling is, because we have to do it outside. Here's Ava doing hers. Finn's over there doing hers, and I'm gonna try it too with my scissors.
Here's the first part. I haven't finished.
Yeah! I've decided now that I don't want to do this anymore. I've just got bored. And I didn't even...
barely even started.
I just don't want to do it anymore. So I'm just out here encouraging. Yeah, I might go get the toys I was playing with and bring them out here.
Are you
Yeah.
bringing the dollhouse out?